Hello, it's Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access, your full-service home modification company, passionate about aging in place, fall prevention, and increasing accessibility for the elderly population in our community. This week, I want to talk about a great product that we offer, folks. It is called Swing-Clear Hinge or Offset Hinge. We call them magic hinges. Now, what the magic hinges do is they're able to widen the doorway by about 1.5 to 2 inches. That width of the door, that when it's opened, oftentimes the walker or the wheelchair is gonna go right along that door and make a scratchy noise and cut into the door and chip the paint and just be a barrier to access. So what these swing-clear hinges do is allow the door to swing open and go behind the casing of the door, and then we're able to achieve the full width of the door frame, which is always about 2 inches wider. So that way, oftentimes walkers and wheelchairs are able to pass through seamlessly. Now, this with installation is about $150. Now, oftentimes we'll get called on site for a door widening project because the consumer just doesn't know that these hinges exist. So in order to widen a door, it's complete, demolition. We're removing the casing, we're cutting new hole for the door, we're utilizing a new door, and all of that. So you're usually well over $1,000 start to finish when you talk about all the finish work and materials required for a door widening project. With these hinges, you're able to maintain the same door, and it's able to close the same way, and you're able to do it for pennies on the dollar when compared to the actual door widening. So a lot of fun stuff like this we offer. Take a look on our website, oakleyhomeaccess.com, for a lot more fun stuff. Remember, magic hinges or offset hinges. You can't just get them at the hardware store. They're very difficult to find out there. But we can hook you up with them. We can set them up for you and make getting through that bathroom door a lot easier. 401-743-5895. You can always call with any questions. Justin at oakleyhomeaccess.com. You can always email or find us on the website, as always, oakleyhomeaccess.com. Love providing free home safety assessments and be able to take care of any recommendations that we make, whether it's rolling up area rugs, adding grab bars, swing clear hinges, or complete remodels when necessary. All right, Oakley Home Access here to help. Talk to you next week.